Unraveling the Phrase, Solo Act. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and the spotlight is on the term, solo act. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. First, let's look at the individual words. Solo. This is an adjective that means alone or by oneself. Act. This refers to a performance or a deed. When we combine these two words, we get a phrase that generally refers to a performance where only one person is involved. In everyday English, solo act is used to describe 1. A performance where only one person is showcasing their talent. For example, if someone is singing or dancing alone on a stage without any accompanying performers, they are putting on a solo act. 2. Figuratively, it can also describe someone who prefers to work alone or someone who stands out because they do things differently from others. For instance, she's always been a solo act, preferring to complete projects by herself. To understand better, let's see the phrase in action. 1. The musician's solo act was breathtaking. He played the guitar with such passion. 2. In a team full of collaborators, Jake is a bit of a solo act, always working on his own. While solo act is pretty straightforward, it's essential not to confuse it with solo project. This generally refers to a task or an assignment done individually. Solo artist refers specifically to a singer or musician who performs alone. Remember, solo act can refer to any performance, not just musical. And that's a wrap on solo act. Now you not only know what it means but also how to use it correctly in different contexts. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy learning!